Hey there, woodworking warriors and DIY dynamos. Today, we're unleashing the cutting-edge power you've been waiting for. We're diving deep into the world of craftsmanship and construction to reveal the best table saws that'll elevate your projects to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these saws are about to become your new best friend. Stay tuned as we look through the competition and find the ultimate tool for your workshop. Now, let's get amped up. METABO HPTCC10 RJS Table Saw. The METABO HPTC10 RJS Table Saw is the ultimate companion for woodworking professionals. Boasting a remarkable 3-inch right and an impressive 22-inch left rip capacity, this table saw offers unmatched versatility and precision in cutting. Its spacious table provides excellent material support, ensuring enhanced stability and safety during use. Powered by a robust 15-amp, 4,500 RPM motor, this table saw is built for pro-level performance. The copper wound motor features soft start, an electric brake, and overload protection for enhanced durability and user safety. Its fold and roll stand makes setup and breakdown a breeze, and the adjustable foot ensures stability on uneven surfaces. Precision is the name of the game, with features like a metal miter gauge and rack and pinion fence adjustment system. It offers a substantial cut capacity of 3:1/8 inches at 90 degrees and 2:1/4 inches at 45 degrees, with a bevel adjustment range of 0 to 45 degrees for angled cuts. This table saw is designed for user convenience, with easy adjustments for blade height, angle, and fence position. It even comes with a 10-inch 40T carbide tip blade for superior cutting capacity. With a reassuring 2-year warranty, it is a reliable and durable choice for woodworking professionals. SKIL SPT 9911 Table Saw. The SKIL SPT 9911 Table Saw is a powerhouse tool designed to meet the demands of professional contractors and woodworking enthusiasts. It boasts a legendary worm drive gearing system that enables an impressive 3 to 5/8 inch depth of cut and a substantial 30 to 1/2 inch rip capacity. This means it can effortlessly handle a wide variety of materials, making it incredibly versatile. Precision is at the heart of this table saw, thanks to its rack and pinion fence system. Adjustments are quick and smooth, ensuring that every cut is accurate. Mobility is a breeze with the rugged rolling stand, featuring 16-inch wheels and easy load handles. Debris management is simplified by the inclusion of a dust port elbow, making cleanup a less arduous task. Additionally, the presence of an out feet and left support enables one-person operation, even when dealing with larger cuts. It features a robust 15-amp dual-field motor that delivers strong torque while effectively maintaining motor temperature during prolonged use. It's capable of effortlessly handling tasks like cutting plywood and 4X material. Plus, backed by a 1-year limited warranty, it's a reliable and durable choice for your woodworking projects, making it a smart investment. BOSCH 4100XC10 Table Saw. The BOSCH 4100XC10 Table Saw is the go-to tool for professional woodworkers and contractors seeking power and precision. Its 15-amp motor, delivering an impressive 4.0 max HP and 3,650 revolutions per minute, handles rip cutting and cross-cutting tasks with ease across a variety of materials, offering a spacious 30-inch ripping capacity. Soft start circuitry ensures a gentle motor startup while minimizing circuit breaker trips, and constant response circuitry maintains speed under load for consistent performance. Safety is paramount with features such as restart protection and the square lock rip fence, ensuring secure clamping and trueness for accurate cuts. The Smart Guard system, complete with a riving knife and anti-kickback pawls, provides added protection while offering a clear view of the cut. This table saw includes the GTA 47W Gravity Rise Wheel stand for effortless job site mobility. It is set up and taken down with a single action, and onboard storage keeps components handy. In addition, the arbor lock allows for swift blade changes. DEWALT DWE 7491 RS Table Saw. The DEWALT DWE 7491 RS Table Saw is a formidable tool that caters to both seasoned contractors and passionate dyers. It boasts an impressive max rip capacity of 32 to 1/2 inches, right, and 22 inches, left, providing ample space for handling sizable materials. The rack and pinion telescoping fence system ensures precise and smooth adjustments, guaranteeing accuracy in every cut. With a potent 15.0, a high-torque motor, this table saw breezes through pressure-treated lumber and hardwoods. It operates at a no-load speed of 4,800 RPM, enabling efficient and clean cuts. At 45 degrees, it offers a depth of cut of 2 to 1/4 inches, while at 90 degrees, it's an impressive 3 to 1/8 inches deep. Backed by DEWALT's guaranteed tough warranty, which includes a 3-year limited warranty, a 1-year free service contract, and a 90-day money-back guarantee, you can trust in its durability and performance. Evolution Ray G5S Table Saw. The Evolution Ray G5S Table Saw is a powerhouse designed to tackle a wide array of materials effortlessly. With a robust 15, a optimized gearbox, and versatile blade system, it effortlessly slices through steel, aluminum, wood, even with embedded nails, and plastic using the included blade. The adjustable full-length parallel fence with a measuring rail guide ensures consistently precise and smooth rip cuts. This folding table saw also accommodates adjustable blade height, making it perfect for trench cuts. It offers an impressive 3 to 1/4 inches depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2 to 1/4 inches at a 45 degrees bevel, catering to various cutting needs. Safety is paramount with the included push stick, and the left and right table extensions provide ample support for larger workpieces. Thanks to its collapsible frame and wheels, storage and transport are a breeze. Plus, with a reassuring 3-year limited warranty, it's a dependable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us in exploring the best table saws. We hope this guide has been helpful in your search for the perfect tool to enhance your woodworking projects. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.